Today's video where we're going to be dealing with truck problems, cleaning up snow, freezing our blood, and just getting after it, grinding. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like, comment, review it, let me know what you think, share it with your friends, and tune into.
Welcome to today's first vlog, and today you get to enjoy me going out and doing snow removal for these people so we can make some bread and invest into our future. Stay tuned to see what we do, how it goes, and what my life is like on the daily basis of running a contract business while going to school, trying to pursue fitness influencing and a music career. A lot of stuff, a lot of things I'm trying to get into. Not a whole lot of time, not a whole lot of energy, but we're still figuring it out piece by piece. And this is going to be the day one vlog of trying to make that happen. Yeah. Got the plow running. Needs a little bit of work, but she still runs. It's got some gas in it, some shovels in the back. So we're gonna make the most of today. Look at that. With chemtrail in the background. Alright. Then I go ba boom, bada bang. Let me switch it. Alright. Offer some assistance, shoveling real quick. Oh shit, here's my phone in the snow. Dip though. You guys want to hop out, start cleaning off the deck? I'm gonna plow the main area. Check out the shoveling action we gotta do here. Alright. Good morning. See, the trouble is, guys, when it's a gravel driveway, blade's too low, it scraped up a whole lot of snow. What can you do? Alright. Numero dos. snow removal properties. I ain't claiming I'm the best. I damn sure ain't claiming I'm an expert. But we will get the job done. And that I will guarantee. And it will be of accolade or well enough that you can utilize the space that you needed. For example, snow removal. The driveway will be clean enough. You'll get into and out of your driveway. It may be a little bit pushed up with the gravel. There may be a little bit of ice. It's snow. There's no way to guarantee perfection, but we do our best. Which is going to be a very, very fun one.
At least like just a little pathway.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So you guys weren't here for last time. The first time we did this property, I ended up down there. If you can see, there's a little gully. I was plowing this way, and back tires slid right off of that edge into there. So we're gonna try to avoid that today. We shall see. Well guys, we got a problem. Battery died in the plow truck, now it won't start. No idea why. And we're back, guys. Next driveway is this one. Unfortunately, we no longer have the plow, so we'll be...
It is 443 444.
leaf blowing the snow. Should be great. Stay tuned. Show you guys the finished results of this. So I hope you guys enjoy this. We're finished. Show you what we got here. Pull the whole driveway off. Just grab a quick picture. Pop. My hands are freezing. But hey, we gotta get this money. We gotta get this bread. My hands literally feel like they are bleeding right now. But all in all, this one's done. Walking down this terrible elevation. Man, this driveway is rough. Oh, shit, slipping. Ugh. As you can see here, fuck. As you can see, everything's been blown off. Even the decks have been blown off. Ugh. And it's not sitting on the deck, which makes sense. Not every house wants this done, but it's definitely a nice service to provide. That way when you're walking in the door, you're not tracking snow everywhere. Look, man, the reality is behind this is it's tough work. It's cold, it's bone chilling, but somebody's got to do it, number one. Number two, you have to work for what you want. And I'll tell you, I want a lot of things in life. The only way that we're gonna get them is if we continue to do the work that nobody else wants to do. And today, that's snow removal. I hate it, you hate it. It still needs to be done though. So here we are. I think this is the 4th property of the day. We got a couple more. Hopefully we can get them done sooner than later. So I can get in the warm, they can get in the warm, and you can get in your house. Not an ideal situation, but it's all that we got right now. So we're gonna make it work. And yeah, it's a lovely day. It's currently 25 degrees outside,
and my blood is freezing. So I hope you guys get some entertainment out of this content, because I don't. I bet you guys thought we were kidding when I told you we're blowing snow with leaf blowers. We're not. Enjoy this scene. And we're back. So, good news. Apparently, the plow truck, the battery terminal was bad or not connected right. So that's why I wouldn't start. Apparently, tow truck guy went there, put it on, started right up. Hopefully it stays that way, right? The blower worked well on this side. On the other side, we're gonna have to plow. So that might work out great. And I'll let you guys know when the plow truck gets here. All right, guys. Now we are gonna head back to the house, see if we can tighten up that battery terminal. Now we're gonna try to fix this battery terminal. Pop the hood.
Oh, yeah.
Bigger than that. So it's not it's a 10.
10?
It's a 10.
Ass freaking melted ass.
What's the culprit? Just tighten that up.
Yeah, that was pretty loose.
And we're off. Continue.
Grab my gloves too.
Oh. And we're back to another property.
It's got a good aftertaste.
We shall see how this one goes. Not too shabby. Nice clear path for the client. I'll do a little bit of cleanup with the shovels. That's good. Another one for the books. And I think we got one more. guys, that about sums it up for snow removals today. It has been actually hell, but we made it happen. It's done. And we just finished plowing, and guess what? It just started snowing again. So looks like we'll be back out tomorrow. Yay! It's time to make donuts. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that sums up today's work day here at Totality Contracting. If you didn't know the name of the business, now you do. If you like this video, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Leave a like, repost it, share it with your friends, and give me insight on what you guys want to see next. Like I said, man,